In this video, we're going to go through how to write the equation of a line that is parallel to another line but has to go through a specific point. So we're going to use some examples to help us with this. So in our first example, it says write an equation of a line that passes through the point 1, negative 2 and is parallel to the line y equals negative 2x plus 1. So what's great is that because we know about parallel lines and that their slopes are the same, we're able to use the equation that they gave us in order to pull our information that we need. So the equation that we were given was y equals negative 2x plus 1. And we can see that this was written in slope-intercept form. So we just need to locate our slope. So in the m's spot is negative 2. And that is our slope. So we're going to say that we have a slope of negative 2, and that we're going to go through the points 1, negative 2. We can label these as our x1 and our y1. And we're going to use the point slope form because we have a point and we have the slope. So remember that point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so we just need to replace our pieces. So we know what y1 is. y1 has a value of negative 2. We know what m is. m is a value of negative 2. And we know what x1 is because x1 we were told was a value of 1. So we need to simplify. We see we have double negatives here, and we can rewrite this as y plus 2 equals negative 2 times x minus 1. Then we're going to distribute our negative 2, which is going to give us, let's move this over here, y plus 2 equals negative 2x plus 2. And to finish solving, we'll subtract 2 from both sides, so the y is by itself, which will give us y equals negative 2x, and 2 minus 2 is 0. And so this is going to be the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals negative 2x plus 1, but goes through the points 1, negative 2. Let's take a look at this second example we have. It says write an equation of a line that passes through negative 4, 2 and is parallel to the line y equals x plus 4. I want you to try this one on your own. So go ahead and push pause and do the problem. And then when you're done, push play and let's see if you were right. So here we were given the equation y equals x plus 4, and we see that in the m's spot, right, in the slopes spot, we have a value of 1. We were given the points negative 4, 2, and so we have an x1 value of negative 4 and a y1 value of 2, and we're going to use the point slope form. So we'll use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and we'll replace our pieces. We'll replace our y1 with the value 2, we'll replace our m with the value 1, and we'll replace our x1 with the value negative 4. Now here we see minus a negative, so that's really a plus. So we can rewrite this as y minus 2 equals 1 times x plus 4. Then we'll distribute our 1, which really doesn't change it, but makes it y minus 2 equals x plus 4. And then we need to get the y by itself. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 to both sides to get rid of that 2, which gives us y equals x plus 6. And then y is now by itself. And so we now have the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals x plus 4, but this one goes through the point negative 4, 2. And so that's how you write the equation of a line that passes through a point, but has to be parallel to another line.